The USS Harry Truman, an impressive Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, is a cornerstone of American naval power, powered by 2 nuclear reactors and housing over 5,000 crew members. This floating city has a history of providing both military and humanitarian aid worldwide. However, its collision with the merchant vessel Bassis M off the Suez Canal highlights the complexities of navigating one of the world's busiest waterways. The Truman's Eyes automated identification system was not active, a common practice for military vessels to avoid broadcasting their location, but in heavily congested zones like the Suez. This may have contributed to the incident. Although the Truman Strike Group, a formation of ships designed for support and protection, was nearby, only the carrier seems to have sustained damage. Investigations are ongoing, and while this appears to be an unfortunate accident, it raises questions about operational safety and coordination in such high-traffic regions. Beyond this incident, the Navy has faced other challenges recently, from aircraft mishaps to past collisions like the USS Fitzgerald and USS John S. McCain in 2017. These events underscore the risks inherent to military operations, even for a fleet renowned for its precision and discipline. Aircraft carriers like the Truman symbolize power projection and diplomacy, but they also demand meticulous management. The Suez Canal, a global trade artery, remains a high-stakes passage for both civilian and military vessels. While this collision did not result in catastrophic damage, it serves as a reminder of the delicate balance required in shared maritime spaces. For now, the focus remains on understanding what went wrong and ensuring such incidents are minimized. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story.